Okay, so now I had to post this. All right, update to my health insurance situation, okay? So, thought it was all fine. They were applying my payment. You know, if you saw my last two posts, I had mailed a payment, and then I get a letter saying that I was canceled. And when I contacted them, they said, oh, for some reason they just hadn't applied the payment, and so okay, now they'll do it, and they reinstated my plan. And I have, I'm a high, I don't know what you would call me, I have multiple sclerosis, so they spend a lot of money on me, for my medication, doctor's appointments, neurologists, all that stuff, whatever. So, thought it was all good. This is a week ago, okay? Now, here I am. Okay, I'm going to make my payment for this month. And so I decided, rather than mailing it in again, considering what happened, I will pay it over the phone. And I'm going to try to keep still. I know I keep moving because I'm holding my phone and I'm recording this on my phone, so it's a little bit moving too much. Let me see if I can get it somewhere a little more still. Now, I call to make the payment, right? She says, I say, what's my balance? Because I knew that I had already made a partial payment on that month from that check that I called and they said they were holding and finally applied, the one I talked about in the other video. And she puts me on hold and comes back and says they didn't apply the check. Okay? What? I called. I dealt with this a week ago. It was a whole big thing. She's not sure why. She puts me on hold. She says she's going to call me back. I finally speak to her a couple hours later. She says they lost the check. They lost it. Oops, I lost your payment. They lost my payment. That's better now. The sun's not in my face. She said they lost it. It was a money order. And now they're putting the ball in my court to replace it. And they're going to give me a 30-day extension to replace it. I don't have a copy of the check, the money order. She says, oh, we have a copy of it in our system. I can fax it to you. They didn't call me. How does a payment just disappear? I used to work in a bank, and I used to do the mail, and we'd have tons of deposits. We didn't lose somebody's deposit. We didn't lose their check. I'm speechless. So now I'm waiting. She said she's going to fax me over a copy of it so I can get it canceled and replaced. And to me, I'm going like, this is your legal obligation to do. Why are you putting this ball in my court? We'll see how it plays out, and I'll keep you updated. Very, very fishy stuff going on. They lost my payment. Yeah. All right. Talk to you later.